Hey, future coders, ever felt like learning to program is like trying to solve a Rubik's Cube blindfolded? You're not alone. But here's the good news. You don't need to spend a fortune on fancy tools to get started. In fact, some of the best resources out there are completely free. But here's the catch. If you don't use the right tools, you could waste hours, days, or even weeks struggling with stuff that should take minutes. And let's be real, time is money. So if you're ready to fast track your coding journey and make smarter tech decisions, stick around. Today, I'm revealing the top 5 free tools every beginner programmer needs. These tools will not only save you time, but also set you up for success in the tech world. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll wonder how you ever coded without them. Let's dive in. First up, we have Visual Studio Code, or VS Code for short. This is the Swiss Army knife of code editors, and it's completely free. Whether you're writing Python, JavaScript, or even HTML, VS Code has got your back. But here's why it's a game changer. It's packed with features like syntax highlighting, debugging, and extensions that make coding faster and easier. Imagine trying to build a house without a hammer. Yeah, that's what coding without VS Code feels like. And the best part? It's beginner friendly. You don't need to be a pro to use it. Just download it, install a few extensions, and you're good to go. Humorous. Comment. Fun fact, VS Code is so popular, even your grandma might be using it. Okay, maybe not your grandma, but you get the point. Transition. Now that you've got your code editor sorted, let's talk about where you'll store all your amazing projects. Next on the list is GitHub. Think of it as Google Drive, but for coders. It's where you'll store, share, and collaborate on your projects. But here's the kicker. If you're not using GitHub, you're basically leaving your code on a sticky note. One wrong move and poof, it's gone forever. GitHub not only keeps your code safe, but also helps you track changes and work with others. And guess what? It's free for public repositories. So whether you're building a portfolio or contributing to open source projects, GitHub is a must-have. Pattern interrupt. Quick question. What's worse than losing your code and your sanity? Don't let that happen. Get on GitHub ASAP. Transition. Now that your code is safe and sound, let's talk about how to make it look good. Tool number 3 is Bootstrap. If you're into web development, this is your secret weapon. Bootstrap is a free framework that helps you create stunning, responsive websites without writing a ton of CSS. Here's why it's a lifesaver. It comes with pre-designed components like buttons, nav bars, and grids. So instead of spending hours tweaking your design, you can focus on building something awesome. And let's be real, in today's world, if your website doesn't look good on mobile, you're basically invisible. Bootstrap ensures your site looks great on any device. Humorous comment. Fun fact, Bootstrap is so easy to use, even your cat could probably build a website. Okay, maybe not your cat, but you get the idea. Transition. Now that your website looks amazing, let's talk about how to make it smarter. Tool number 4 is Python. Yes, Python is a programming language, but it's also one of the most beginner-friendly tools out there. Why Python? Because it's versatile. You can use it for web development, data analysis, automation, and even AI. And the best part, there are tons of free resources and libraries to help you get started. Imagine automating boring tasks like sending emails or organizing files. With Python, you can do that in just a few lines of code. Pattern interrupt. Quick question. Would you rather spend hours doing repetitive tasks or write a script that does it for you? Yeah, thought so. Transition. Now that you're automating like a pro, let's talk about how to level up your skills. Last but definitely not least, we have freeCodeCamp. This is your one-stop shop for learning to code for free. freeCodeCamp offers interactive coding challenges, projects, and even certifications. Whether you're into web development, data science, or machine learning, they've got you covered. And here's the best part. It's completely free. No hidden fees, no upsells, just pure unfiltered knowledge. Humorous. Comment. Fun fact, freeCodeCamp is so good, it's like the Netflix of coding, except, it's free and actually useful. Transition. Now that you've got these 5 tools in your arsenal, you're ready to take on the tech world. So let's do a quick recap. We've got 1, VS Code for writing code like a pro. 2, GitHub for keeping your projects safe. 3, Bootstrap for building stunning websites. 4, Python for automating your life. 5th, freeCodeCamp for leveling up your skills. These tools are your ticket to a smarter, wealthier, and more tech-savvy lifestyle. But here's the thing, knowledge is useless without action. So pick one tool, download it, and start using it today. Call to action. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more tech tips like this. And hey, drop a comment below. What's the first tool you're going to try? Let's build the future together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.